All right, chat, we're here at the property, putting in the code, going through the gate. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're here. Jaime is organizing all these pavers, throwing them down. We're gonna put them into a pile just all along this. There was a bunch of concrete like this, a lot more concrete than that. There's a video on the channel a couple days ago, some concrete removal. That's a job that we did here. Removed pretty much all the concrete that was here from the pillars that we destroyed and loaded them up in this trailer. Did about 2 loads. So we're here now. We're just gonna organize these pavers, take the last bit of concrete, those metal railings. As you can see here, some pieces of the metal railings, and then we're pretty much gonna be all done here. So yeah, that's the last of the project. Hoping to get it done today. So yeah, let's do it. Check it out, check it out. Organizing all these pavers, already did this side. Copper alert, copper alert. All right, so, boom. Got that left to go. Jameston is stacking them up. Gonna haul this metal away. A little bit of concrete. A good amount of concrete around the corner.
¿No dejaron el metal aquí?
Carrying some pavers. Gonna organize these pavers. Let's get it. Dumping a bit of the pillars over here. Quick update on these pavers. Stacked a lot of them up. We're on to the last pile here. Making quick work of this. Organized all the pavers that were along this ridge here. And putting in the work. Almost done here. Looks like a lot, but it's not that much because it's over the rocks. But I'm running over there as well. Gonna take all that concrete, load it up into the dump trailer. Gonna take all this metal. We're gonna pack up, take all our equipment, wheelbarrows, the wood, tools. Out here doing a little bit of a cleanup. We're almost done here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're on to our 3rd water bottle of the day. Cleaned up. All the pavers are organized. Leveled this out. Loaded up the dump trailer. Huh? Okay. Might be removing this in the future. We have to wait and see. But for now, we're all finished. Here's a higher view of everything. It's a beautiful view as well. It's the end of the day, or it was supposed to be the end of the day, but now it isn't. Unfortunately, we got a flat tire now. This thing is busted. just popped, completely popped on me. Gonna have to repair it here in a minute. Just had to call a mobile mechanic or a mobile tire shop because I'm like an hour away from home. So just waiting on that. Should take like an hour. Today was like a long day. Wrapped up a big project. Thankfully, wrapped up a big project. You know, it's going good. Just was picking up a dumpster that we rented out. And this happens, man. Stuff like this happens. So just gonna be a little bit more prepared for next time. You know, lessons learned. You know, learn from your losses. Gonna have to buy a good sized jack and buy a spare for this trailer so that when this happens again, we're prepared and, you know, can do it ourselves.